Today's quick tip is going to improve a lot of your upper body work, but especially your pull-ups. What we're doing is we're focusing on shoulder position during the push-up movement. More specifically, as you're coming down into the bottom of your push-up, bringing the shoulder back to kind of stretch out this space between the shoulder and the chest. So rather than coming down and having like this, more like so. So the way I like to think about this is when you're doing push-ups, feel like you're reaching to the floor with your chest. You're trying to not necessarily bring the shoulders back, but like you're almost chest bumping the floor. And when you come up, bring the shoulders forward a little bit. So you're working your chest a lot through this kind of movement. It's not just coming back, but down as well. Helps to get a little bit more stretch in the chest and a little bit more contraction at the top of each repetition. Apply this to all of your upper body exercises, but play with your regular push-ups first. Let me know what you think. Questions below, more videos here. Be fit, live free.